Good morning, students. Class 10, chapter 14th. In this chapter, we have complete out exercise 14.2, in which we discuss about mode. And in the previous videos, we have discussed about measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency, which are three types: arithmetic mean, mode, and median. To find out arithmetic mean, we have discussed three formulas, three methods: direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. Three methods are discussed, in which direct method we prepare 4 columns, assumed mean and step deviation method we prepare 4 columns. Sorry, 5 columns. What is the formula of direct method? Sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Assumed mean method, capital A plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. And step division method, sigma A plus h multiply sigma fi ui upon sigma fi. These are three methods used to find out arithmetic mean. And we have discussed about arithmetic. To find out arithmetic mean, step division method always used when class size of each class interval is same. And what is the formula of mode? L plus h multiply f1 minus f0 upon 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2. It is the formula to find out mode, in which h is the class size, L is the lower limit of modal class, f1 is the frequency of modal class, f0 is the frequency of the class preceding to the modal class, f2 is the frequency of the class succeeding to the modal class. Now we discuss about third measure of central tendency, which is median. Median, it is the value of middle term of a set of variables when the variables are arranged in ascending or descending order. If variables are given, then we arrange the variable in ascending or descending order. Ascending mean स्मॉलर टू ग्रेटर, डिसेंडिंग मीन ग्रेटर टू स्मॉलर. किसी भी ऑर्डर में हम फिक्स कर सकते हैं, अरेंज कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद जो उनकी मिडिल टर्म होगी, अरेंज करने के बाद जो बीच वाली टर्म होगी, उसे मीडियन कॉल किया जाता है. इफ n इज ओड, n यानी कि काउंटिंग इज ओड, देन मीडियन इज इक्वल टू n प्लस 1/2 ts टर्म. इफ n इज इवन, काउंटिंग इज इवन, मीडियन इज इक्वल टू n/2 ts term plus n/2 plus 1 ts term and total किया अपॉन में 2. Now we discuss these two formulas to find out mean. Suppose something observation are given 7, 8, 4, 3 and 10. We have to find out mean. We know that counting is 5, which is odd number. So firstly we arrange ascending or descending order. It's your choice. Suppose we arrange ascending order: 3, 4, 7, 8 and 10. It is the arrangement in ascending order. Now we find out median. Counting 5 and it is odd, so 5 plus 1 upon 2 th term. It's mean it is a third term, and the third term is 7. So median is equal to 7. Now we discuss a question in which counting is even. Suppose the question is 7, 12, 15, 6, 20, 8, 4, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Counting is 8, and obviously 8 is a even number. Firstly we arrange the data variables in ascending order: 4, 6, 8, 10, 7 6 4 4 6 7 8 10 and 12 and 15 and 20. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Counting is even, so we apply the formula. Median is equal to n upon 2. It's mean 8 upon 2 th term plus 8 upon 2 plus 1 th term total के अपॉन में 2. It's mean the value is fourth term plus and it is fifth term total के अपॉन में 2. What is the value of fourth term? 1 2 3 4 8 and what is the value of fifth term, which is 10. So answer is 9. So median is equal to 9. So it is the method to find out median when data in not in tabular form. But in the 10th class syllabus we have to find out when the data in tabular form and class interval also given. So now we discuss the formula of median. So what is the formula of median? L plus n upon 2 minus CF naught into H upon F. L plus n upon 2 minus CF naught into H upon F, where L is the lower limit of median class and sigma Fi CF naught. So it is the formula to find out median. L plus n upon 2 minus CF naught into H upon F. The formula is used when the data in grouped form and the class interval is given, where L is the lower limit of median class. We select a median class and its lower limit is called L. Capital N sigma Fi CF naught or CF0. CF naught cumulative frequency of class preceding द मीडियन क्लास. इट्स मीन जो मीडियन क्लास हम सेलेक्ट करेंगे उससे जस्ट पहले वाली क्लास की कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी को हम सी एफ नोट कहेंगे. व्हाट इज द कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी कैन प्रिपेयर डिस्कस करेंगे इन द क्वेश्चन. एंड एफ फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ मीडियन क्लास. नोट डाउन इट एंड वी डू एक्सरसाइज 14.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नोट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. Now we apply the formula of median in question number 1 of exercise 14.3. I hope you note down the question. In the question we have to find out median, mean and mode. Median, mode and mean आपको तीनों find out करने हैं. Mode and mean we have already discussed about it. You have to find out mean. You have find out in any method. It's your choice. Now we have to find out median. To find out median we prepare 3 columns. These headings of 2 columns depend on the question, but we call it class interval and it is frequency, and the third column is fixed, it is called cumulative frequency CFI. According to the question, there are 4 consumers whose monthly consumption in units 65 to 85 electricity का दे रखा है. 5 consumers whose electricity is 85 to 105 units and so on. And sigma Fi equal to 68. Firstly we prepare third column cumulative frequency. How can you prepare this? It's very simple. We write here as a 4. Now we add 4 plus 5. It's mean 9. We add 9 plus 13. 22. 22 plus 20. 42. 42 plus 14. 56. 56 plus 8 64 and 64 plus 8 68, and these two values are always equal. It is the checking procedure. So firstly we prepare cumulative frequency column. Now we find out median class. To find out median class we know that n equal to sigma Fi, which is 68. So we find out n upon 2, which is 34. which is 34. Now we select a value in the cumulative frequency. I repeat again, we select a value in the cumulative frequency which is just greater than or equal to 34, which is just greater than or equal to 34. So we observe that 42 is a value which is just greater than 34. So we select this cumulative frequency, and in this row, this class interval is मीडियन क्लास. ये वो क्लास इंटरवल है जिसको मैं मीडियन क्लास कॉल करूंगा. सो इट इज द मीडियन क्लास. इट्स मीन L इक्वल टू 125, एंड सो इट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ L, एंड इन द फॉर्मूला वी यूज F. F is the median of frequency of median class. So it is F. CF naught या CF0 is the cumulative frequency of the class which is just preceding to the median class. तो median class से पहले आने वाली क्लास के cumulative frequency को हम कॉल करेंगे CF naught. एंड H यानी कि क्लास साइज, अपर क्लास लिमिट माइनस लोअर क्लास लिमिट, इट्स मीन 20. नाउ वी हैव ऑल वैल्यूज टू अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला, टू राइट द फॉर्मूला एंड अप्लाई इट. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? मीडियन इज इक्वल टू L प्लस n/2 माइनस CF नोट इंटू H अपॉन F. Now put the values. L is equal to 125 plus n/2 34 minus CF naught. CF naught is 22 into H. H is 20 and sigma Fi. Sorry, F. F is 20. Frequency of the median class. Now calculate 20 cancel out. 125 plus 12, its mean answer is 137 units. So median is equal to 137. So we can find out median in the class interval. Note down it. In the next video we study double missing frequency problem if median is given, which is very important.